Coming up to the next event, which is the 100 meters hurdles for women. So starting off with Gurdeep Kaur. She's going to be drawn in lane 2 from Punjab University. The second of them, Krishna Priya, the University of Calicut.
Aparna Nayyar, महात्मा गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी। ये है प्रतिभा कुमारी, रांची यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड। प्रज्ञान साहू, कलिंगा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, भुवनेश्वर, ओडिशा।
So Anand, like the first event, which was the 110 meters hurdles, we had the record holder in lane 5. We got the record holder Prashanti Sahu from Kalinga. She, if you see, is listed in lane number 8. So are we going to have a double here? Are we going to have a tumble? If the tumble doesn't happen very often, I can tell you that. Or is she going to be upset there? Or will she get her second gold medal of the university games?
13.63 का वो मीट रिकॉर्ड है प्रशांत साहू के नाम, प्रज्ञान शांति साहू। और ज्योति याराजी, बड़ा नाम 100 मीटर हर्डल में, एशियन गेम्स की पदक विजेता, गोवा में जो राष्ट्रीय खेल हुए थे पिछले वर्ष, उसकी गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट ज्योति याराजी। और उनके नाम नेशनल रिकॉर्ड है 12.78 सेकंड का, जो 4 अगस्त 2023 में उन्होंने बनाया था चेंगदू में।
She also won the gold medal last week at the Asian Indoor in Tehran. Yes, she certainly is the big name. You use that word, Jyoti Yaraji. She's set the record 12.78 very recently, a year back, under a year back, on the 4th of August 2023. Surely setting a trend here in the 100 meters hurdles for the women. Remember, this is an event where you have 2 recommended methods. We still have approximately 10 minutes to go for this event.
Krishna Priya CS, University of Calicut, Kerala। अपर्णा नैयर, महात्मा गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी, कोट्टयम। प्रतिभा कुमारी, रांची यूनिवर्सिटी, झारखंड। और ये हैं प्रज्ञान प्रशांति साहू। इनका मीट रिकॉर्ड है 13.63 सेकंड का। कलिंगा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, भुवनेश्वर, ओडिशा के साथ ही इन्होंने ये मीट रिकॉर्ड बनाया था। और इस बार उनके पास एक और मौका है इस मीट रिकॉर्ड में सुधार कर पाने का या फिर एक नए सिरे से एक नई इबारत लिखने का, तो नजरें मिलिंद प्रज्ञान प्रशांति साहू पर होगी, लेकिन थोड़ा सा दबाव भी होगा.
Oh, for sure. In 8, she is the favorite, and the favorites always carry the pressure. She is the meet record holder. 5 out there in the fray. Is number 8 there? Yes, she is there. Pragyan Prashanti Sahu, the meet record holder. 13.63, 2023. The last games in Lucknow. So listed originally 7, now year 5. Jyoti Araji, we've been mentioning her very recently, 2 weeks ago. A gold at the Asian Indoor in Tehran. She holds the national record set in Chengdu, China, 12.78. 4th of August 2023. These girls will get a double out here. Remember, Vikas Khodke was so unlucky to tumble towards the end. 0.1 separated 1 and 2 in the men, 110 hurdles. We've got Prashant Sahu there as slipping in here for an event which I love, the 100 meters hurdles. Out here is Sanjeev Mukherjee to take us through.
Yet again, the greatest hurdler among commentators, Milind Bagle. He just mentioned, remember, 1500 being his favorite, Anand. It's on tape, it's on record. Yesterday he said it's 100 meters. Dash, he's been keeping it a close eye at 1896. Now he says 100 meter hurdles final. So the best hurdler among commentators, the one, the only Milind Bagle. But here we are, all eyes on the women. This time we are expecting a cracker of a contestant as Milind and as just mentioned, Anand, the fact that if you are the defending champion, of course there is a lot of pressure. We saw what happened to the defending champion in the last race. Vikas Khodke tipping off the final hurdle, went for a desperate lunge, unfortunately couldn't do the trick, and Jagdish Gedam ran a fabulous race. So who will it be among these 5? Lane 8, Pragyan Prasanthi Sahu, the defending champion, all of 21 only. Bib number 224.
अभी थोड़ा समय है, शायद 2 मिनट के आसपास का समय है इसमें शुरू होने में. निमाय रुचिता, कृष्ण प्रिया, अपर्णा नायर, प्रतिभा कुमारी और प्रज्ञान प्रशांति साहू.
So lanes number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Ruchita, Krishna Priya, Varna, Pratibha, and of course Prasanthi. It's all bees, Anand. It's all bees.
जैसे ही रेस स्टार्ट होगी, रोमांच भी होगा, दर्शकों का शोर भी होगा और खिलाड़ियों पर थोड़ा दबाव और बेहतर करने का उत्साह.
That's right. And Milind Bagle has promised. He's promised myself and Anand that he's going to take us out for dinner. That's a long way off. He's been saying this to us since Goa, where we were for the national games. No dinner, no sign of the Chettinad fair he promised us in Chennai. Let's hope we have some better luck in this gorgeous, glorious evening here in Guwahati. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. On the hunches. All steady. And off they go. And Prasanthi has been immediately knocked out of contention. And it's between Namai Ruchira and Aparna Ruchira. Ruchita is blazing away. Will anybody be able to catch up with her? No, of course not. Ruchita makes a final nod towards the breast tape, and of course she gets it there in style. Exactly what we had mentioned right at the start. The weight of expectations, the burden of expectations, perhaps knocking the defending champion out of contention even before she could take off. But what a fabulous race there from Ruchita Namai of Jain University. Absolutely fabulous, nice and easy take, cleanly. She sails over the hurdles briefly. It looked like Krishna Priya was being able to give her some challenge, but slowly and steadily, actually in a jiffy, she made sure she regained the lead, and there was a match between her and Krishna Priya. No one was able to stop her. Pratibha coming in third, and of course satisfied with the fourth spot. But what unfortunate incident there for Pragyan. Prasanthi Sahu literally tumbling over at the first hurdle.
बहुत ज्यादा निराशा, शायद इसके बारे में सोचा तक नहीं होगा. प्रैक्टिस सेशंस में आप लगातार उसको क्लियर कर रहे थे. कोई बात नहीं, आप आगे बढ़ सकते थे, लेकिन शायद एक ऐसी पोजीशन पर आ गई थी प्रशांति कि फिर आगे बढ़ने का निर्णय नहीं लिया. लेकिन झारखंड यूनिवर्सिटी की प्रतिभा कुमारी की भी थोड़ी बात करनी पड़ेगी. यहां पर ब्रॉन्ज मेडल उनके पास गया है, सिल्वर मेडल जीता है कृष्णा प्रिया ने यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैलिकट केरल की. लेकिन 100 मीटर हर्डल की बाजी मारी है नमा. जैन यूनिवर्सिटी एक बार फिर ट्रैक एंड फील्ड में जैन ने अपना परचम लहराया है. मिलिंद जुड़ रहे हैं मेरे साथ, लेकिन मिलिंद पहले टाइमिंग पर नजर डाले. 14.57 नमाई रुचिता, 14.71 सेकंड्स कृष्ण प्रिया और 14.76